All right, so we're at Tarek El Moussa's house, as you can see. I started decorating last night, and the exterior, we're gonna be doing the interior tonight, so I'm super excited about that. I'm gonna put these poinsettias or poinsettias into place and just kind of scatter them around, see if I need to fill in some snow, and then we should have the exterior pretty good. I mean, I set up the trees, I fluffed them out, and I did the ribbons, so they look really good right now. So yeah, take a look around and you'll be seeing me just strategically planting the poinsettias. Super stoked that I bought this snow because I'm gonna fill all the bald spots with some snow and we'll see how that looks. It's like batty. Yeah, so anytime that you have like a spot that you're like, oh man, I wish that had something, or you want to prop something up on it, add some snow and start fluffing it. Oh, and one of the big things with snow, make sure you actually fluff it. Don't just lay your fluff down, because it does come in like a pile, but come on. A lot of things can be hidden with snow. I like to just take the snow and put it around the base of the trees. Of course, if you're lucky enough to have real snow, you don't need to do that. Here's another nifty trick. So I have some poinsettias that are on their sides. Well, actually all of them are on their sides because I don't like the container. Try and look for some boxes that you don't use, and obviously Tarek uses a lot of ping pong balls because he got a new ping pong machine. So I just kind of went through his trash like a scary, crazy person and found some boxes. So I'm gonna use these, kind of prop up these poinsettias. See the difference that it makes? So hopefully you too got a new ping pong machine. That would be awesome. Or if you don't have that, just grab some balls. Watching my video. If you like this and other videos, make sure to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friends. If you don't, George, what should we do if they don't? If you don't, George will be very angry.